Hello there. Welcome back to our channel where your support keeps us motivated to keep growing. Imagine being able to design your life from scratch. Where would you travel? What kind of home would you live in? What would you spend your days doing? While money can't buy happiness, it's often necessary for the freedom to choose how we live. It won't happen overnight, but with patience and discipline, it's absolutely within reach. And today we're sharing 10 realistic steps to help you move toward financial independence. Step 1. Define what you want. Don't just say I want to be rich. Think smaller and get specific. Do you want to own a home? Without an emergency fund, you might turn to credit cards or loans to cover these costs, and prevents you from reaching your financial goals. Tackle it strategically with the snowball or avalanche method. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. This approach keeps you motivated as you see quick wins, adding momentum. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts as soon as you get paid. Monitor your credit report regularly by signing up for credit monitoring services. Pay all your bills on time, as payment history is a significant factor in your credit score. Keep your credit usage below 30% of your available credit limit and avoid opening too many new accounts in a short period. While these steps provide a roadmap, remember that setbacks can happen. Stay flexible. Learn from any missteps and keep moving forward. With dedication and consistency, you can pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future. Address any negative items on your credit report promptly and continue to monitor it for accuracy. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities and helps you save money. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money on unnecessary purchases. Automate your bill payments to avoid late fees and maintain a good credit score. By automating your finances, you take the emotion out of money management and ensure that your savings and investments don't suffer due to procrastination or forgetfulness. Review your automatic contributions regularly, especially when your income changes, and make adjustments as needed. On the other hand, the avalanche method prioritizes debts with the highest interest rates. This approach saves you the most money on interest payments in the long run. Staying informed about personal finance is crucial to making smart decisions and achieving your financial goals. Regularly maintain your car, home, appliances, and electronics to prevent costly repairs. Eat healthy and exercise to maintain your health and well-being. Small acts of maintenance and care can add up to significant savings over time. By adopting these habits, you'll not only be financially savvy, but also enjoy peace of mind knowing you're building a solid foundation for your future. Make it a habit to read, watch or listen to finance-related content regularly. Educate yourself about taxes, market trends, and personal finance tools. Attend webinars or join communities to learn from others. Invest in your personal growth by developing new skills or deepening existing ones. This could lead to better job opportunities or starting a side hustle. Continuous learning keeps you sharp and adaptable in an ever-changing financial landscape. Choose the strategy that keeps you motivated and stick to it. Paying off debt frees up your cash flow, allowing you to save and invest more. But first, try to establish an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If you haven't started, open a retirement account and begin contributing. Even if you're young, starting early allows you to benefit from the power of compounding interest. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. And the earlier you start, the more your money can grow. Take advantage of any employer-sponsored retirement plans, especially those with matching contributions. It's free money, and don't forget to adjust your contributions as your income grows. Regularly review your retirement plan and make adjustments as needed to ensure you're on track to achieve your long-term financial goals. Having this safety net in place gives you peace of mind knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. Once your savings and emergency fund are stable, start investing. Choose reputable platforms with a history of reliability and good customer service. Stick to a schedule. Weekly or monthly contributions work well. Prioritize low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the market. They offer diversification and historically have delivered solid returns over the long term. Avoid trying to time the market or chase high-risk, high-reward investments. Instead, focus on long-term growth and ride out market fluctuations. It's important to educate yourself on basic investment strategies and principles. Consider taking online courses or reading books to improve your financial literacy. Knowledge is key to making informed investment decisions. In case something goes wrong, this money shouldn't be invested. Instead, it should sit in a separate account that's easily accessible. This way, you won't be tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. An emergency fund is crucial before taking on big financial goals like paying off debt, saving for retirement, or investing. Track every expense for at least a month to see where it's going. Use a budgeting app, spreadsheet, or notebook. Separate needs from wants and set limits for variable expenses like groceries or eating out. Be realistic and adjust as needed. The goal is to identify areas where you can cut back and save more without sacrificing your quality of life. A consistent budgeting habit will help you gain control over your finances and make better decisions. Maybe you have a specific house in mind. How much does it cost? When do you want to buy it? Do you want to travel more? Create a Pinterest board of your dream destinations. Estimate how much it would cost to visit them. Write down your goals. Think deeply about what you truly want. Then add target dates and estimated costs. Keeping this list posted somewhere visible will serve as a reminder to stay on track. Step 2. Create a budget that works. Before you can increase your income or invest, you need to know where your money is going. Step 3. Establish an emergency fund. Life happens and unexpected expenses pop up. Step 4. Get ahead of debt. High-interest debt eats away at your income. Step 5. Plan for retirement. It's never too early to plan for retirement. Step 6. Invest for the long term. Investing is essential to grow your wealth and secure your future. Step 7. Automate your finances. Automation can save you time and help you stay on track financially. Step 8. Monitor your credit. Your credit score plays a vital role in your financial health, affecting loan approvals, interest rates, and even insurance premiums. Step 9. Keep learning. Step 10. Maintain what you own. Taking care of your belongings can save you money in the long run. Achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It's about progress, not perfection. We hope you found these tips helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for watching. Until next time.